to my channel. So guys, I am standing in front of my fridge. I know y'all can barely see it from this angle, but I'm about to do a fridge restock with you guys. I know I usually show you my grocery hauls and what I purchased from the grocery store, and I don't too much get to show you guys like how I put this stuff up. I show it every now and then, but today I am going to restock my fridge with you all versus doing a grocery haul, so you guys can kind of see how I restock my fridge and get maybe some fridge organization inspiration. Mine's is not too organized because I still have to get like some other organizer containers, and I've bypassed them so many times in the store and just did not pick them up out of just not thinking. So that's probably going to be my next task on my list, to add more organization to my fridge. Now, I don't have the biggest fridge. I cannot wait till I get a bigger fridge, but for now we are working with this fridge here. I'm just gonna restock my fridge with some weekly groceries. Well, this is kind of like midweek because it's hump day, it's Wednesday, so I'm gonna go ahead and restock my fridge with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And we're gonna get right into it because I have everything laid out here, basically what I bought from the store to restock my fridge. But first, I kind of have to get stuff out of the fridge and organize the fridge, so we're gonna start doing that first. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with this thing of eggs. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of my fridge. And then I have a tons of like jugs of milk. I need to take these out. So we're going to pretty much start with a clean slate. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything. Alright guys, so I got my fridge all cleared out except for that baking soda back there, but I pretty much have to do some wiping down of this fridge because stuff came out, and the thing that holds my cheese and like vegetables and fruits and stuff at the bottom, it needs to be a little wiped out. So we're gonna get into wiping this out so we can go ahead and put all of this stuff back inside it. Alright guys, so I got my fridge completely restocked here, and I just put like drinks up here. So I got milk and waters, and we don't drink that much juice, so I mostly got waters up top and milk, and then I got eggs, fruit, cucumbers, cheeses, and then got some breakfast meats in here as well. I usually keep my breakfast meats. And then down here, I just got some additional meats that I don't want frozen, some more fruits and vegetables, my kids' applesauce. Got my salad mix here, and then some oranges and peppers there, just some extra stuff there. And then over here, we've just got additional condiments like heavy whipping cream, sour cream, some more juices, my kids' yogurt, butter, and then some extra stuff at the bottom. And this is how I've organized it all. And this was just like a slight restock of my fridge. I am going to do another full grocery haul soon of some more stuff that I need, but this is just kind of the stuff that I filled the fridge with for now. But this is it as far as my fridge restock goes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.